Hello, today we will guide you through how to easily file taxes with H&R Block. In this walkthrough, we'll move from the main menu to the point where you're ready to start entering income details using a simple example so each click makes sense. Begin on the H&R Block DIY main menu page. From this home base, choose Overview. This gives you a quick snapshot of your return sections and your overall progress, which is helpful for staying oriented as you work. Next, open the Federal section. This is where you'll prepare and edit your federal tax return. If you want to make sure you're starting from a clean, known point, select Go to the beginning of my return. It resets the flow to the start of the guided interview, which can reduce confusion if you've clicked around before. Continue by selecting Next. You'll use this throughout the process to move forward after you review a screen. Now head into Income. This section organizes all the possible income sources you might need to report. If you have additional income to include, choose Add Another Income Type. This opens a list of categories so you can add exactly what applies to you. Select a sample tax to file from the list. To demonstrate, we'll use Retirement and Social Security as the example category. If your situation is different, you would choose the category that matches what you received for the year. For now, we're just showing where that lives in the menu. Choose Next to proceed. On the following screen, pick Add an Account. Think of an account here as the source of that income, such as a payer or agency. Adding it sets up a place to enter details from your tax documents. From the options presented, click the sample form that matches the example. In your own filing, you would select the specific form reference on your tax statement so that the fields line up correctly. This step ensures the software prompts you for the right information. Select Next to confirm and move ahead. This brings you to the point where you're ready to input details. Click Start. That opens the guided entry screens for the income type you chose, where you'll enter the amounts and other information exactly as they appear on your documents. A few quick tips before you proceed. Keep your tax forms nearby so you can enter figures accurately, use the on-screen help links if any field is unclear, and remember you can revisit sections later if you need to make edits. You're now set up and ready to begin entering your income with confidence.